We are going to discipline them. Once I see white man with documents, I'm going to work with it.
Good day, Mr. Bobo. Could you tell Sister to come and meet me at the same location? We got one more document to sign. Hello, Mr. Khaled. Sorry to disturb you guys in a music session. Cape Town, we got one more document to sign. Meet me at the same location.
Yes, I'm a general.
Could you tell Mr. Davis to meet me at the same location? We got one more document to sign. It is in regard to his visa.
Yeah, so once being man here about visa, you know, my first and I reach a location. Enough respect my boss, I make him know where I'm going. Yeah, what name I do in a document, sir? Hey, boy, being man, rather bring a girl come here for make it look like a straight. Look at the girl on. Hey, baby, don't make him chicken, you know. And the girl and sugar. And salt. Hey, boy, I say I don't apologize, so I'll do it secretly. Yes, I burn out a chichi, and you're going to run go sign a fool to tell people for. Sharp boss, watch being man, look like him want to run, you know. Yeah, man, hold this and drag him back in there for me.